Wondering if you can play EA Sports FC 26 with friends on a different console? The answer is yes, but there's one important detail you should know. EA Sports FC 26 is cross platform on supported systems. That means players on PlayStation 5, Xbox Series X, S, and PC can team up or compete against each other in supported online modes. If you're playing on PlayStation 4 or Xbox One, cross platform play is limited to those older generation consoles. To use cross-platform play, make sure crossplay is enabled in the game settings. Then add your friend through your EA friends list and send an invite. As long as you're both on compatible platforms and running the latest version of the game, joining each other is quick and easy. If cross-platform play isn't working, check that crossplay is turned on for both players. Confirm you're using the same game generation and install any available updates. That's all there is to it. Now you know how cross-platform play works in EA Sports FC 26, so you can get into the match without the confusion.